Hey everybody, hope you had a great 2021 deer season. It's officially over here in Pennsylvania, so now we got shed season and spring turkey coming up. But for now, we're going to go back to 2015. I took my wife's nephew out for his very first ever deer hunt. It was the youth rifle season here in Pennsylvania. So hopefully you enjoy the video. As always, like, subscribe, and we appreciate you guys watching. God bless.
I got her.
What do you think about your first deer?
Good. I can't hear anything.
Alright folks, it's October 24th, 2015. We're on the PA Youth Doe Hunt with the rifle. We're hunting in Washington County, Pennsylvania. This is Kenny Pager. It's his first ever deer hunt. He got his first deer. Got a good one. He made a good shot. Proud of him. Happy for him. What do you think about your first hunt?
Good. Well, it's my first deer hunt.
First deer, though. You did a good job. Now all the work begins. Good job, bud. Proud of you.